Pulse Investment founder Kingsley has died. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Kingsley, the founder of Pulse Investment Limited, has died. He passed away on Tuesday, 2 weeks after celebrating his 71st birthday, surrounded by his family at the HCA Kendall Hospital in Miami, Florida, USA. Born in Kingston, Jamaica on June 3, 1953 and educated at the Kingston College, the University of the West Indies and the Norman Mandela School, the attorney and fashion entertainment trailblazer through Pulse pioneered and developed an international modeling agency for the Caribbean in the process of developing upcoming supermodels for international stardom. The company created new opportunities for local and international talent in music and fashion. Pulse promoted and produced renowned international events such as Reggae Super Jam and Caribbean Fashion Week. With Cooper's leadership, Pulse extended its business into media, real estate, and hospitality. Pulse was the first company of its kind to be listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. We mourn the loss of an innovator, extraordinary leader, father, husband, and visionary, Pulse Investment said in a release. The Cooper family said it's immensely grateful for the life and legacy and thank everyone for their outpouring of love and support. In the midst of the passing of Mr. Cooper, the leader of opposition, Mr. Mark Golding, took the time to express sadness at the untimely passing of Mr. Cooper. Also who took the time to express sadness at the passing of Mr. Cooper is the Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have more details to come on this in a subsequent newscast. Thanks for watching.